प्यारे बच्चों, आपको द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के अंतर्गत सिविक्स में थर्ड लेसन में द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट जो है पढ़ा रहा था। उसमें आपको विधानसभा पढ़ा चुका था, लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली। नाउ यू सी द लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल, विधान परिषद के बारे में देखें। द लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल इज द अपर हाउस इन द स्टेट legislature. The Constitution has fixed the maximum strength of Legislative Council as 1/3 of the total strength of Legislative Assembly, subject to a minimum of 40. The Legislative Council of Jammu and Kashmir has, however, 36 members. It is a permanent body as it cannot be dissolved. 1/3 of its members retired every 2 years and elections are held for vacancy. The term of office of members is 6 years. Qualification: a member of the Legislative Council should be a citizen of India and at least 30 years of age. He has to fulfill all the other qualifications as specified by the Parliament. Composition: unlike the Legislative Assembly, the Legislative Council is not a directly elected body. Its composition is as follows: 1/3 of the members elected by member of Legislative Assembly of the state. Second, 1/3 of members are elected by member of local government bodies, as in municipal or district board, etc. Third, 1/3 of the members are elected by an electorate consisting of university graduates registering in the state. 1/12 of the members are elected by electorate consisting of teachers of secondary school, college and university. Fifth, 1/6 of the members are nominated by the governor of the state. These members are distinguished individuals from different spheres of art, literature, social work. Presiding officer: the member of the Legislative Council elect the chairman and deputy chairman from among themselves. The chairman is the presiding officer of the Legislative Council. In this absence, the deputy chairman conducts the proceeding. They remain in office as long as they enjoy the confidence of the majority, and they may be removed by resolution passed by a majority. Function of the legislature: state legislature function in a manner similar to that of the parliament. Legislative function: the state legislature can be enact law on 61 subjects contained in the state list and 52 subjects included in a concrete list. In case law passed by state legislature is contrary to a law passed by the union legislature, the central law shall prevail. When the state legislature is not in session, the governor can issue an ordinance and the same is considered when it is in session. The most important power of the state legislature is the control on the state executive. The chief minister and his council of the minister can remain in office so long as they enjoy the confidence of the majority of the members of the state assembly. The assembly may pass a non-confidence motion against the council of ministers if a bill moved by minister is defeated in the house. It is also considered to be a vote of no confidence. In both cases, the state ministry has to resign. Limitation on the powers of the state legislature: following are the some of the limitations on the power of the state legislature. Bill on certain subject cannot be introduced in state legislature without the prior approval of the president. Bill on certain subject passed by the state legislature cannot signed by the governor, and they have to be sent the president for consideration and assent. Third, the governor of the state can reserve any bill passed by the state legislature for consideration of the president. Position of legislative assembly. The position of the state legislative assembly is very strong. It enjoys all legislative powers of the state. If there is legislative council also, it is very weak before the legislative assembly. It has control over the legislature and also on the state executive. अब रिलेशन के बारे में कल पढ़ाएंगे।